everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. I'm so glad to have y'all here with me today. I hope everyone had some happy holidays. New Year's is coming up. I had a wonderful Christmas. Got to see my grandbabies for a little bit. We got to exchange gift for just a little bit because we're still distant, and hopefully next year will be better. Be safe, please be distant and all that. We already know all that, so we're gonna do that. Thank all my subscribers. I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. We welcome y'all to be here in our home. All about being supportive of each other. And we it's about love, peace, and joy. So I have took down all my Christmas decoration already before New Year, but I've took it down. So I'm in my den and I'm going to do some simple stuff, not a whole lot. I'm gonna do my fireplace today. I'm gonna decorate it, I'm gonna clean it and decorate it. Yeah, so enough been said. Here we go.
Okay, so we're gonna dust first. Okay, so there you have it. It was real simple. I made the little swag on top, and my mirror was already there, and I didn't want to move it, so it looked pretty good, so I left it like it was. And then I added the reindeers, because the reindeers is still, it's winter time and deer will still be out. So I decided to add that little silver into it, and then I added the little plant here in the middle, and then I add my little candlesticks here. I wanted it to stay kind of red during this time of the year because even the winter time, it's still cold, it still need candles, and so I left it like that. I put the little greenery around here, and that just helps bring out the color. And in my home sign, like I say, it was a DIY, and I made it. It looks perfect with the silver and the green and with the flowers. And then I also use this lantern here. It's real fitting for the place. And it also has the little flowers that's inside of it, and I didn't take our time to go ahead and do that. I wanted y'all to go ahead and see that. That's just to save time. But I got a little greenery inside, and I got a candlestick in it with the candle. On the fireplace, on the stand, I didn't want to put a whole lot there because I wanted to see my fireplace. So I left that without a lot of stuff on it. But I put this little basket here, little pine cones and all that in it, and just different things inside of it, and they smell so good. This little platter here, I have it, and then I put the light off in the middle of it, and that just give it more shine and everything to it too. And I think it all turned out good. It was simple, but I didn't want to put a whole lot into it. When a person come into your den, you just don't want just a lot of junk. So I just did it real simple. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said in the beginning, if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you already have subscribed, I thank you for that. I thank y'all for y'all comments. I love y'all comments. Y'all some beautiful peoples. And y'all just make me feel so special when I read all of my comments. And I thank y'all for that. Y'all so sweet. We'll see y'all the next time. Just stay prayerful. This soon deceased, with God willing and God help. So, but we still gonna be distant. We still gonna be safe. We still gonna wear our masks and all of that. What we gonna do? And I hope y'all have a fantastic New Year. Be praying for a blessed 2021, and y'all be prosper and be blessed and be in good health. I do pray. Thank y'all. We'll see y'all the next time. Bye-bye.